औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Students, today we have to start page number 52 and topic is again division. Dividing by a two-digit number. Question is solve each of the following. Write your answer as mixed fractions. So let's start. A part of this question. Question 1. A is 168 divided by 14. First of all, we have to divide 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. Zero remainder. 168 divided by 14 equals to. Now we have to write it as mixed number form. First of all, we have to place a line and write our divisor and denominator like this. Remainder in numerator and quotient at side number. The mixed number form of 168 divided by 14 is 12 whole 2 by 0 by 14. B part is 567 divided by 56. 56 ones are 56. 7 will come down. Now 7 is smaller and 56 is greater. This means 56 zeros are 0. 7 is remainder. Now 567 divided by 56 equals to divisor in denominator, remainder in upper number, numerator, and 10 as side number. C part is 861 divided by 82. 82 ones are 82. 41. 82 zeros are 0. 41 as remainder. Now 861 divided by 82 equals to divisor as denominator, remainder as numerator, and answer is as side number. D part is 686 divided by 58. 58 ones are 58. 8 minus 8 0. 6 minus 5 1. 6 will come down. 106. Now 58 ones are 58 and 58 twos are 116. 116 will be greater, so we have to use 158. 16 minus 8 is 8 and 9 minus 5 is 4. Remainder is 48. So 686 divided by 58 equals to 58, 48 and 11. E part is 864 divided by 39. 39 twos are 78. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 will come down. 7 minus 7 0. Once again, 39 twos are 78. 14 minus 8 is 6. So the answer is 864 divided by 39 equals to 39 622. Last part of this question is 782 divided by 46. 46 twos are 92, so it will be greater. We will use 1. 46 ones are 46. 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 4 3. 2 will come down. Now 46 sevens are 322. Remainder is 0. So 782 divided by 46 equals to divisor, remainder, quotient. Now question number 2. Now this time we have to divide 4-digit number with double digits. A part of question number 2 is 5328 divided by 25. 25 2s are 50. 25 1s are 25. 25 3s are 75. So 5 3 2 8 divided by 25 equals to divisor, remainder, quotient. Next E part I'm going to solve, which is 8426 divided by 23. Now 23 3 is 69 because 4 will make it greater. 14 minus 9 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1, 2 will come down. This is 152. Twenty-three into 7 is 161, so it is greater. Now we have to move towards 6. 23 into 6 is 138. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 will come down. Once again, 23 6 are 138. 16 minus 8 is 8 and 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 1 0. So 8 4 2 6 divided by 23 equals to last is F part 9706 divided by 53. 9706 divided by 53. 53 ones are 53 because 2 will make it greater. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 will come down. 53 into 8 is 424. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 will come down. 166. Three is the 9. 3 5 is the 15. Minus 16 minus 9 is 7. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is 9706 divided by 53 equals to 183. 7 over 53. Last is question number 3. This is 5-digit number divided by 2-digit number. Question number 3. A part is 17556 divided by 83. 83 twos are 166 minus 56 minus 6 is 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 will come down. 83 ones are 83. Five minus 3 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. Once again 83 ones are 83. 6 minus 3 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. So the answer is 17556 divided by 83 equals to 43. 211 43 over 83. B part is 25367 divided by 52. This is 25367 divided by 52. Now first two digits are 25, which is smaller than our divisor, so we have to consider first three digits. This is 253. Now we have to choose the multiple, which we have to multiply with 52 to make it possible division with 253. Let's take it 5. 52 into 5 is 5 to the 10. 1 carry, 5 5 is 25, 126. This is 260, not possible. Now we have to go it for 4. 52 into 4. 4 to the 8. 4 5 is 20. Thirteen minus 8 is 5. 4. This will come down. This is 456. (52) into 8. 8 to the 16. 8 5 the 40. 40 and 1 46. This is 41. Let's take it also with 9. 9 to the 18. 9 5 the 45 and 1 46. This is 468, not possible. We will go for 8. 4 1 6. 6 minus 6 0. 5 minus 1 4. 7 1 will come down. This is 407. Now 48 into 7. 7 8 is 56. 5 carry. 7 4 is 28 and 5 33. Sorry, we have to multiply 52. 7 to the 14. 1 carry. 7 5 is 35. 1 36. Because 52 8s are 416 and 52 7s are 364. 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer is 25367 divided by 52 equals to 487, 52 and 43. Students, also note down your diary. We have to solve question number 1, 2 and 3 of page 52 on your new copy. Now if you have any problem, please raise your hand.